Welcome to Online Learning with Rana. I am your instructor Rana Shazad. So viewers, in the previous lecture we just completed our products, insert products, add and view products, edit and delete. So one thing is remaining yet we didn't do with pagination. So we will start pagination to create a pagination in our CMS, and let's start our business. So here is our CMS. So it's the products and categories. Let's show all categories. So here we will add a pagination. So pagination is a built-in class with the codeigniter. We will use this class and do our pagination. And let's start. So this is our cat controller, and we are accessing all data from categories by common model get all records order by and sending by this cat. So two or three things, let me make it clear first. So this is the pagination things. It's a library. We have to load library first, pagination, and after that we have to suppose the page is 0 or 1, whatever you call it, the landing page. I suppose it's a 0, and we have to define a record per page, how many records that you want to print on that page. So records we have to define our base URL, a complete path where we want to show our pagination. So this is a base URL.admin. Admin is a directory, a cat is a controller, and under cat there is a method index. So this becomes our complete base URL, and we have to tell total rows, how many rows in your tables. So per page, and a URI segment for, I will explain to URI segment. This is the tricky, and this is the list that we want to show in a UL list. So the four tags are important: first link and last link, and first tag open, first tag close, last tag open, last tag close, full tag open and full tag close. So current tag or number tag, previous tag, next tag. So current, previous, next, number tag, and the list UL list, unordered list. So last tag and first tag, full tag, current tag, number tag, next and previous. So this is the list that I have defined. So and after that, when we have decided our list, we have to initialize this pagination to our pagination class. So this is our manual setting that we have set to show a pagination. If we show in, so this is the first link, this one the second link, last link, and this one the number link, this one is the first, and this one the first, next and previous, this one the current. So and all is in a UL list and is a unordered list. So we have to initialize our pagination manual setting, and after that this pagination create links, and this will pagination that this function create links will create the links all the that we have given and we kept in array string page link, and we will echo that page link wherever we want. So also, and let's explain URI segment. What is the URI segment? So you can find it on a codeigniter, a brief documentation on everything about it. You can learn it, but simple. when this, what is this segment? Segment is a single thing. So this is segment number 3. Here is a cat is a one segment, index is second segment, and 5 is the third segment. And this will become a third. These are the 3 segments in your URI URL. So in the URI segment there is a 3 segment, cat, index, and this one is admin is the directory, this one is the domain, and this one is the localhost. This one root directory, and this one is our localhost domain. So cat, index, and 5, these are 3 segments. If I say segment 1, then it will be a cat. If I say segment 2, this will be an index. So you will find it more on URI segment. It's a nice article on URI segment. This is a form get. So you can see it. So this is our main domain, and this is index page. Blog is segment number 1, language 2, and this is 4 segment in a URI segments. So you can find it. This URI segment 1, it will print a blog. If you give echo this URI segment 2, this will print language. And if you print, because these segments are used to receive information from your URL. So it's an advanced thing to use segment. So I have keep this CMS as simple as I can do it. So you can learn it from many more things on segmentation. So here are the functions / segment, URI to a source if you want to print in array. So the main is URI segment array. So it will print your all segment in array. So the segment are, I have already told that these are used to receive information your URL. So is a coordinator URL class. You can also read it. It's a bunch of information, you can find it. Let's do our segmentation. So okay, and okay, when we have initialized create links and we have sent this common model listing method we have used, and all the data fetched from our category table according to page 0 and record per page. So we limit our records that we have fetched from our database. So let's do in first create a method in a model, common model, and we will get record order by. So let's get record single, and let's modify this function and paste it, listing, and number 1 page, record per page. So this DB select from table name order by this, and record per page. Okay, this DB limit will be let's close this function. So and page, so record per page, and let's clear record per page. This TP limit, this TP order by, and so record per page. And let's come to our controller, index controller, and let me copy this. Sorry, copy, come to your cat. Here is our pagination. Okay, define page is equal to 0, and let's load our pagination. This load library, which is a pagination. Okay, and record per page. Okay, then we initialize it. Now get the function listing and pass the variables. First one is $record per page and page. So we have passed our parameters to our function listing. Let me confirm it. Okay, pagination initialize, create links. We have initialized our pagination and configure all manual things, and page link, this pagination create links, and this will pass to our view page link. Copy this page link, and now come to our view cat. View cats, where we want to show a pagination. So here we are in a view cat. Okay, and let's show our pagination full width. Let me add cat. Okay, div class, create another separate bottom borderline, another bottom borderline. So in between that we will print PHP echo $sign and page link. Okay, then you save it Okay, refresh your page. So it is pagination is not appearing. PHP echo page link. Here is our total cats, cat numbers. This pagination, create links, this load library, pagination, this common model listing record per page, category cat descending, save it, refresh. So let me check. So let's it's not appearing. We have just 4 records in our database, and we have set record per page 5. Every code, everything is right. Okay, I think there is a problem with the record. Let's make it 2. Just because we have just 4 records, and when we refresh now, the record is 2. When you click on next, the record is 2. So we have just only 4 records in a database, but we did set our record per page 5. So that's why it's not appearing. And all the CSS about this UL and LI list we have already set in our style.css. In CSS lecture, you can find all the CSS that I did: pagination, LI, display, inline, pagination link, if there is a link, border, color and margin, if there is a pagination class under there, span, if so with this border and margin, if pagination class, pagination and active link. So you can see it in category pagination, class pagination, and if LI is active, so we have a CSS for this. And pagination A link and pagination A visit, if the link if it is visited, so text activation none, padding this, and it's hover, so it will change its, it will become solid this color when you hover it. Okay, and let's discuss these LI tags. And let me take how many minutes are left to my lecture. Just 1 minute is left. I think I will discuss I will explain these tags a little bit more in the next lecture, and some security checks are many, and we will do security checks in the next lecture. So have a good time. So keep liking and subscribing. Take care. Bye bye.